How to disable ad blocker in Google Chrome on PC or laptop. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can disable the ad blocker in Google Chrome on your laptop or PC. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the browser window and click on the three dots menu. From the drop-down menu, scroll down and click on Settings. After opening Settings, look at the left side panel and click on Privacy and Security. Inside this section, find and click on Site Settings. This area controls how websites behave inside your browser. Now, scroll down until you reach the Content section. Here, click on Pop-ups and Redirects. Make sure the option is set to allow sites to send pop-ups and redirects if a website requires them to function properly. If you see websites listed under Not Allowed, click the three dots next to any site and press Remove. This ensures Chrome isn't blocking necessary website elements. Next, go back to the previous menu and scroll down again until you see Additional Content Settings. Inside this section, find Intrusive Ads and open it. Make sure the setting allows sites to show ads. If any websites are blocked here, remove them so the browser stops filtering ads automatically. And that's it. Those are the main ways you can disable an ad blocker in Google Chrome on a PC or laptop through site settings, content permissions, and browser extensions. If this video helped you, consider leaving a like and subscribing for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.